Hi, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to discuss a reaction between alkanos and metals. Now when we talk about alkanos, we are talking of things like methanol, ethanol, propanol and so on. And then when we talk of metal, we are talking a reaction between metals like sodium, potassium and so on. Now you realize, let us look at an example here, that you realize that all alkanos or alcohol have got this group here, OH group here, all of them. So the way one alcohol, and this group here is called the functional group. Or this is where, when you talk about a reaction means that we have an action, we have some activity taking place somewhere. So for all alcohols we have this functional group here, and this is where the action usually takes place. When we say that this alcohol is reacting with this a metal like sodium here, this is the part which is going to be involved, this piece here. So this one will not be involved in any way. So this is a balanced reaction between methanol and sodium metal to produce now this molecule here called sodium meth, because now we have, it's coming from methanol, one carbon, meaning that the alcohol had one carbon atom, oxide, because of this oxygen atom here. So the molecule now becomes sodium meth oxide, so sodium methoxide like this, and hydrogen gas. So this reaction here is balanced for that matter. Now let us see what happens, or what actually happened on the functional group here. Now suppose we replace this molecule. These two here just means that we have two molecules of methanol. So we can replace that one with something like this CH3 there. Then we put an OH group. This is very important as methanol. So this is, we have two, so we can remove these two and put it here. Then these two here means that we have two sodium atoms. So we can replace these two here. We put two there. So this simply means that we have two of this. Now when this reaction was taking place, these two means that we have two of this. So when this reaction was taking place, now what actually happens is that this hydrogen, one hydrogen atom and another hydrogen atoms moved out and they combined to form a hydrogen gas, and this is the hydrogen gas that we're talking here. This means that we have two atoms of hydrogen, and then this sodium just moved and took now the position for the hydrogen here. So these two here, these are the two molecules that were formed between reaction between methanol and sodium. So this 1, 2, it is a 2. This it is representing these two here. We have this molecule here. Now that is a case for methanol. Suppose now we have ethanol like that. That is ethanol. Remember, it is ethanol because now we have two carbon atoms for this molecule, and of course it is an alcohol because now we have the OH group here. This one is going to react with the, you can move this first, it's going to react with sodium to produce something like this one here. And of course hydrogen gas. So for a molecule, this one we are supposed to balance it. Now this is ethanol. We're going to put ethanol there. That is ethanol. This is a sodium atom. You can put sodium there. There's no problem. This is sodium. And now what is formed here is sodium ethoxide. sodium hydroxide. The reason for this is that now we have sodium here, then we have these oxygen atoms here, oxide, and then we have the F because of the two carbon atoms. So when ethanol reacts with sodium, we form what we call sodium hydroxide. Now, just like in the case of methanol, we can replace now these two here. We just put literally the molecules. So we have these two molecules here. And these two, we remove it and then we put that one there literally. So we have two sodium atoms. So just like in methanol, these hydrogens will be roast and they combine together to form hydrogen gas, like this one you are seeing here on the side of the product. Then this will take these positions here, and now we form the sodium hydroxide, two molecules of sodium hydroxide as you can see on this side of the product. Now you have seen clearly that all alcohols will follow the same path. Propanol will form sodium oxide, and so on and so forth for all. So they follow the same path. Thank you very much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell.